Why do you understand English, but still sound basic when you speak? You know grammar, you know vocabulary, but real English still freezes. Because real English is not rules. It's idioms. And wait, idiom number 7 describes your anger. Idiom number 13 describes your entire life near deadlines. Don't blink. Let's start. Idiom 1 to 3. Hit the snooze life. Meaning, keep postponing things. Example, I keep hitting the snooze life on my gym plan. Don't hit the snooze life on your dreams. Brain on airplane mode. Meaning, not paying attention. Example, sorry, my brain was on airplane mode in class. Ever happened in meetings? 3. Running on low battery. Meaning, very tired. Example, I'm running on low battery today. Students after exams, 1% battery only. Stay with me. It gets more relatable from here. Idiom 4 to 6. Mood under construction. Meaning, mood is slowly improving. Example, don't talk now, mood under construction. Monday mood, always under construction. Talk in download speed. Meaning, speak very slowly. Example, please don't talk in download speed. Some teachers still loading. Buffering. Overthinking factory. Meaning, someone who overthinks a lot. Example, my brain is an overthinking factory. Night plus silence equals factory on full production. Next idiom, it exposes your anger issues. Idiom 7 to 9. Zero chill mode. Meaning, no patience. Gets angry easily. Example, dad is in zero chill mode today. Keyboard warrior energy. Meaning, brave only online. Example, he shows keyboard warrior energy. Strong in comments, silent in real life. Quick question, be honest. Are you a keyboard warrior or a real-life speaker? Comment online or offline. Dream in buffering. Meaning, progress is slow. Example, my startup dream is buffering. Next one powers your happiness. Don't skip. Idiom 10 to 12. Weekend fuel. Meaning, something that makes you happy. Example, music is my weekend fuel. What's yours? Social media courage. Meaning, fake confidence online. Example, real life 0, social media courage full. Very dangerous confidence. Coffee before talk. Meaning, not ready to talk yet. Example, morning equals coffee before talk. Now comes the most dangerous idiom of your life. Idiom 13 to 15. Deadline panic dance. Meaning, last minute rush. Example, I'm doing deadline panic dance. Pocket earthquake. Meaning, phone vibration feeling, but nothing. Example, I felt pocket earthquake again. Too much phone equals this problem. Motivation vacation. Meaning, no motivation. Example, my motivation is on vacation. Now listen carefully. If you comment your favorite idiom, your brain processes it deeper, and you remember it long term. This is a real psychological trick for fast learning. So comment one idiom you love the most. I'll read it. Like this video. Subscribe to Abhishek with English. If you want to stop sounding basic English. See you in the next lesson.